this glow up routine with my hair care. So currently I'm dealing with extremely frizzy hair and an itchy scalp. So to prevent it, I'm going to use this hair mask. So we're going to need 4 to 5 big tablespoons of dahi. In this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Give this mask a good mix. You must have heard your parents or grandparents talking about curd and lemon acting as a very nice exfoliator, and every time my scalp feels itchy, I like to use this mask all over my scalp and my hair length. I prioritize my scalp more, and whatever was left I applied it to my hair length, and then I tied my hair into a bun. Also, I secured my hair into a hair mask, and I will keep this hair mask for 1 hour, and then we will see how I like to wash my hair. So it's been an hour. I kept this mask all over my hair, and now it's time to wash it. So I detangled my hair, and then I'm going to use some lukewarm water to wash off all that hair mask. To further clean my scalp, I'm going to use Plum's Avocado and Argan Frizz Control shampoo. I used some 6 to 7 pump of the shampoo, diluted it with some water, and now I'm going to wash my hair thoroughly. I like to use this tool. I have been talking about this product since a very long time, and it's a very nice product to massage and remove your dirt and gunk that you have in your scalp. Now squeezing off all the excess water, I'm going to use this Plum Avocado and Argan Conditioner. I applied it all over my hair length and secured my hair into a bun. I'll keep this conditioner on my hair for at least 5 minutes, and meanwhile I'll complete my shower routine. Finally, I washed off all that conditioner and tied my hair into a microfiber towel. Your hair will smell a bit, but थोड़ी देर बाद वो fade हो जाएगा. Now because we have freshly exfoliated scalp, I'm going to use this scalp tonic from M Caffeine. This tonic is going to help you with hair growth and hair loss. Shake it before using and apply it all over your scalp. Do not overdo, and with gentle hands you have to massage your scalp to prevent breakage. Now to define my curls, I'm going to split some normal water all over my hair, and I'm going to use this hair gel from Earth Rhythm. I applied it all over my hair, scrunched my hair really well, and let my hair air dry. And this is my hair before and after. Moving on to my nail care routine. It's been a while I haven't pampered my feet, so first step here would be removing that old nail polish. For that I'm going to use Lakme's nail paint remover. I was happy with my hair length. All I need to do was to remove all that dirt and gunk which was beneath my nails, and then I split some normal water all over my legs and cleaned my feet, and now it's time to apply this nail polish from Faces Canada. So I recently came across this product on Amazon which is going to help you with your finger separation, ताकि एक उंगली दूसरे उंगली को चिपके ना whenever you apply nail polish, but it's not that sturdy, so don't go for it. And that's how my nails were looking after second coat. Moving on to my favorite part, which is artificial or press-on nails, and this is how my nails are looking right now. So today I'm going to use these nails from beromt Cosmetics. It's for ₹199. अगर लिंक मिल जाएगी तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगी. सबसे पहले हम पूरे नेल के लेंथ को कट करेंगे, and then I will push my cuticles back, and last step would be filing my entire nail bed. आफ्टर दैट इज़ डन, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि जितने भी आपके नेल्स हैं वो आपके नेल साइज़ को मैच करेंगे. मेरे नेल्स के लिए ये थोड़े से बड़े थे, सो आई सिंपली यूज़ द सीजर, एंड मैंने साइड से थोड़ा लेंथ कम कर लिया, थोड़ा सा फाइल कर लिया टू मेक इट लुक इवन, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई स्टिक दिस नेल्स. उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ दिस नेल ग्लू फ्रॉम मिस क्लेयर. So this is how I like to use it. I'm gonna take some glue and apply it on the bottom of the fake nail. उसके बाद cuticles को पीछे push करके I'm gonna press this nail on my nail bed, and I will hold it for 10 to 15 seconds, and that's how I like to finish with my nail extensions. And this is how my final nail result was looking like. I was pretty happy with this process, and my nails were looking absolutely beautiful. And now moving on to my facial hair removal routine. So you guys can see my eyebrows are not done. They are looking very messy, and I'm also having some peach fuzz and a little bit of hair around my mustache area, on my cheek, on my chin. So to remove it, I'm going to use micellar water first, and I'm going to make sure that my face is extremely clean. So we want a clean canvas to work on it. And now I'm going to use my favorite face wash from Mama Earth. I will clean my face, get rid of all that dirt and gunk, and I will pat my face dry. So on this dry face, I'm going to use this plucker to pluck out all those extra hair that I'm having around my eyebrow area. इससे हमारी बालों की रीग्रोथ जल्दी नहीं होगी and the process will be a little bit easier. थोड़ा दर्द होगा but सहन कर लेना. Now on a clean canvas, I'm going to use M Caffeine's facial oil. I love this one because it does not break out my skin. It's very light on my skin as well, and I really love this one to use whenever I'm massaging my face. So whenever you are using razor, make sure आपके हाथ बिल्कुल भी ऑयली ना हो. अगर रेजर फिसल गया तो आपको कट लगने के 100% चांसेस है. एंड देन आई स्टार्टेड शेविंग माई फेस. जब मैं फिल्म करके दिखा रही थी तब आपको एक भी बाल नहीं दिखाऊंगा, बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम शेविंग इट यू गाइज कैन सी लॉट ऑफ हेयर ऑल ओवर माई फेस, एंड दिस इज व्हाई आई ऑलवेज टेल यू स्टार्ट शेविंग योर फेस. इज गोइंग टू मेक योर स्किन ग्लो फ्रॉम विद इन. इवन दो आई प्लग्ड माई ब्राउ हेयर, थोड़े थोड़े बाल जो बच गए थे जो एकदम छोटे थे उनको भी मैंने रेजर की हेल्प से रिमूव कर लिया. एंड दैट्स हाउ ग्लोइंग एंड प्रिटी माई स्किन वॉज लुकिंग आफ्टरवर्ड्स. Make sure you're washing your face. Now for my skincare routine, I'm going to start with niacinamide serum from the Derma Co. This is going to make sure that your skin is healed. And then to moisturize my skin, I'm going to use moisturizer from Simple. And that's the final look. This is how beautiful and glowing my skin is looking right now. लास्ट स्टेप इज़ टू टेक केयर ऑफ माई अंडर आर्म. वैसे मेरा रूटीन बहुत अलग है इससे भी, तो अगर आपको वो देखना होगा आई एम गोना मेक श्योर कि मैं उसको अपलोड करूँ. सो राइट नाउ हियर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ ऑरेंज पाउडर. उसमें आधा नींबू जाएगा और थोड़ा सा पानी. इफ़ यू वांट यू कैन ऑल्सो ऐड दूध या फिर दही या फिर गुलाब जल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक श्योर कि मेरे अंडर आर्म्स एकदम क्लीन हो, बिल्कुल भी स्वेटिंग ना हो, तो मैं अपने अंडर आर्म्स को अच्छे से क्लीन कर लूँगी. एंड देन यूजिंग दिस ब्रश आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दैट मास्क ऑल ओवर माई अंडर आर्म्स. This mask has lemon in it, which is going to help us with pigmentation and exfoliation. I will keep this mask for 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash off this mask. थोड़ा सा मसाज करके I remove this mask from my underarm and that's it for my underarm routine. Very short and simple. उसके बाद आप डिओ लगा सकते हो, नॉर्मल एलोवेरा जेल लगा सकते हो, and that's it for my underarm care routine. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.